In this video of The Mac Essential, I'm going to talk about how one can get free Microsoft Office. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, let me open internet browser here. And now I'm going to type office.com. Now what we need to do here is we need to click on sign in. Now if you are opening office.com for the first time or any Microsoft app, then you may require to create a Microsoft account. And it is pretty easy, guys. All you need to do is you need to click on create one. Now simply enter your email address. It can be existing, or if you want to create brand new, you can also do that by entering @ and then you can type, let's say, outlook.com. Once you write outlook.com, you're gonna get two options. One is Hotmail and another one is Outlook. Then click on next. And now here you can create your password. And in this way, guys, you can create your account. If you want to use your Gmail or Apple Mail, that is also feasible. You can simply sign in with those accounts. After you log in, you're also going to get another option which enable you to stay signed in for longer duration. I would recommend you to say yes if you really want to use Office quite often. Once you do that, you're going to see this kind of screen. And you will be redirected to this URL, which is m365.cloud.microsoft. Now here, if you go on the left hand side, you can easily get Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Now here, let's say I would like to create a blank document. I can simply click here, and again I need to use my same credential. So I'm gonna quickly input those. And once I sign in here, you can see the complete Microsoft Word gets loaded. Now you can work on it, rename your document or save it, whatever you want to do, you can do that. And you may think of, what's a real deal here? Shouldn't I get Office 2024 or 2021? Yes, you can have those versions where you need to pay one time, but they often lack in features. This free version still comes with more number of features because this one is online, so comes with all connected features. For example, voice typing, or in case of PowerPoint, you will also see PowerPoint design ideas are also there. Which to me is really great deal, because even if you are paying for Office 2021 or even 2024, you're not gonna get connected features. Now, of course, there are certain limitations of free version. You may not have desktop based application here, but there is also a workaround. Instead of using Safari, we can install Microsoft Edge browser that can create any web page as an app, which is the next step I want to show you in this video. So simply open new tab and type Edge, and here you go. Here we have got Microsoft Edge browser. And now let me make a double click on it to install. And there you go. All we need to do is we need to simply make double click. And now let's click again on open and click on install. Now there we go. We have successfully installed it. Now let's also customize it. I really do not want to see too much of feed here. So I'm gonna remove quick link and feed go. Now I'm gonna sign in using same Microsoft account that we have just created. Once signed in, I can click here and then we can see all my Office application live right here. And let's say if I use any particular application quite often, let's say for example Microsoft Excel, what I can do here is I can open that, and then I can simply go here and click on these three dots, go to more tools, and then I'm gonna say apps, and then install this site as an app. Now I'm gonna say install, and there you go. We have successfully installed it. And what we can do here is I can also pin this application here. Now next time I do not need to go on any internet browser because we already have placed it here. Now simply make a click and you will see that your Microsoft Excel opened up, and then you can simply click on create blank document to get started. So in this way, guys, you can have Word, Excel, PowerPoint and all other Microsoft products for free. And as I said, these applications make more sense than let's say perpetual one, especially when you are using it for personal purpose. Now, as these apps are free, so there should be some limitation. And the limitation is, in order to access this Office, you definitely required internet access. And I think for most of us nowadays, internet is always there. So in a way, I would say it is really a big deal because Microsoft Office is undoubtedly the champion or the best Office application out there in this planet Earth. And that's also wrap up this video. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential for more such productivity video. And I will catch you soon. Till then, you take care and bye bye.